In this tutorial, you will learn exactly how to stretch a video using CapCut on your PC. Let us dive right into the timeline so you can fix your aspect ratio immediately. First, select the specific video clip you want to modify on your timeline. Once the clip is highlighted, move your eyes over to the top right corner of the user interface where the video editing panel is located. Look closely for the option labeled Uniform Scale. By default, this setting is toggled on to keep your video proportions locked. Go ahead and turn off Uniform Scale by clicking the toggle next to it. The important thing is that once you disable this feature, CapCut unlocks individual control over your video dimensions. You will instantly see separate adjustment sliders appear for scale width and scale height. Now, click and drag the scale width slider to the right if you want to widen your footage across the screen. Conversely, you can click and drag the scale height slider to vertically distort or extend your video. In my case, adjusting both the width and height allows for a perfectly customized fit that fills up any black bars on the sides of your project. Keep in mind that stretching your video this way will alter the original aspect ratio, which means objects or people in the frame might look wider or taller than they actually are. Just manipulate these two individual settings until the preview window looks exactly the way you want it. If you ever make a mistake, you can always reset the values or toggle uniform scale back on to start over. Once you are satisfied with the new dimensions, you can simply back out of that panel and continue editing the rest of your project. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next one.